Okay guys, moment of truth. And just to let you know, I have no idea how to eat these, even though I love Asian food. I'm probably picking this up wrong, which I know I am. Trying to get the full effect here, but hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I've decided to do something a little different today. I love Asian food and I'm trying to eat healthy, so I've decided to make these Asian kind of spring rolly things made with cabbage. So first of all, I had to dice up some onion and some green onion. Some ginger. Some celery. Some garlic. Some carrot. Probably would have been a lot easier to use a grater, but I just chose to do it this way. Some red pepper. Could have used green pepper, but I had red pepper, so that's what I used. And then some bok choy, baby bok choy. And I did previously wash all of the vegetables. So I just put a little bit of olive oil in the pan, and I did not prepare this meal. It was just something that came up in my mind to do, and so the ground turkey is frozen. I used Chinese 5 spices. I believe there's cloves and cinnamon and allspice in it. I don't know all the ingredients, but so yeah, I just had to do some work to get this thawed out in the pan. And Tamari sauce, gluten-free soy sauce. And some Chinese cooking wine. I decided to cut it up to help it cook faster. Or Chinese 5 spice. Added some sesame oil, some oyster sauce, Sweet chili Thai, a little bit of Sriracha for some heat, some spice, and I just let it cook up, fry up. And then I added some salt to the water and let it boil for the rice noodles. I'm also putting the cabbage in boiling water just so they'll come apart easier. And this is a flat cabbage. So I was going to start off with certain vegetables, but then I just ended up putting them all in. I did save the bok choy for last because it does cook really quickly. And a little bit of oil. Then I added the bok choy. Added my rice noodles to the boiling water. Pepper. Just a little bit of hot pepper flakes. Then I separated the cabbage. And I just put a little bit of the meat and vegetables, a little bit of the rice noodles, a little bit of scallion, a green onion, and then rolled it up. So it's quite similar to a cabbage roll, it's just Asian style, Asian spices, rice noodles instead of rice, and there's no tomato used in this one where cabbage roll has a tomato base. This one, after I get them all folded up, I will be lightly frying them in the frying pan. So I added a little bit of hot water to the rice noodles just so they would separate a bit easier. So once I had 2 plates made, I decided to make up the dipping sauce. I used some Tamari type of soy sauce, gluten-free, some Sriracha, sweet chili Thai sauce, some honey, sesame seeds, and some Scallion. A little bit of sugar. And some ginger and sesame oil I added to it. And I end up adding garlic too. It was good. So then I fried them in some oil. I think I used olive oil, but I didn't put it up on high. I'm trying to stay away from oil. So that was pretty much it. Once you fry them, add a little bit of sesame seeds and some scallion. Then I decided to drizzle some sauce over it. And there you have it. Full effect here, but I do not know. Forget it. Since I don't know how to use chopsticks, I'll give it an 8 out of 10. So much room for improvement. That's on taste. You ever see anyone eat with these before? I think I'll just pick it up with my fingers. Let's try. It's good. Really yummy. Really good. Well, I had fun. That was good. Thank you guys for watching. My little Asian cabbage egg rolly things. Remember, like, comment, and subscribe. Mwah. See you in the next video. God bless.
Ireland boss, I represent for Akeem and Jen. And you know them YouTube channels, so I tell you no, I say no, if you go like, share, comment, and subscribe. You know why? It's a winning season. The past wasn't clear. No, tables are turned with about half dozen cheer. You know what I mean?